Local news for Thursday the 2nd of November. Returning officer Warwick Lamb of Elections.com Limited has declared the final results for the 2017 elections for the Fonterra Board of Directors, Directors Remuneration Committee and Shareholders Council. Ward 18, Wairarapa, will be represented by John Stevenson, with all successful candidates taking office at the close of the annual meeting held today. Real-time statistics from realestate.co.nz show that new property listings were down 8.4% in October compared with the same month in 2016, with 10,778 homes newly listed for sale across the country. New property listings for Wairarapa were down 10.4%. The average asking price for the region was also down 3.7%. And in sport, rugby player Levi Harmon has been named in the New Zealand All Blacks Sevens development squad that is travelling to California. The former Pioneer player has gone from strength to strength, having played for the championship-winning Mitre 10 Cup side in Wellington this year. And former Wairarapa Bush player and Tasman hooker Andrew Makaleo has been re-signed to the 2018 Crusader squad. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.